Well, it's gone 10 o'clock at night and I am still in the office. It's blinking cold out there. My car is all frozen, but something quite exciting came in today that I really want to show you, and I haven't even got out the box yet. But you know what? I don't even want to go home without one. So let's go to have a look and see. I have been whinging, and I do mean whinging, at hunters to make me these for a long time. And finally, they've actually taken note. So, I've got the first ones, at least I think it's the first ones. And I haven't even seen them yet, but they're in the box on top of this pallet. And I'm going to take one home and then light my wood burner. So, in this box, I have some brand new items for the Aspect range of stocks from Hunters for the wood burners. One thing, there's different ones in here. Let's have a look. One thing that has always been really annoying, falling off my shoulder. One thing that's always been really annoying is, I'm looking at the box at the same time, is the depth of the wood retainer bars on the front of the Aspects, because they're not high enough and the ash retention isn't good enough. Well, it's not bad, but it could be a hell of a lot better. And yeah, I've said it. Customers say it to me, but only because I say it to them first. And finally, I've got some bigger bars. There are bigger bars for all the models, from the little ones to the big ones. I thought they might have written the sizes on the outside, so we can have a guess, because there's 8s and 5s and 14s and 7s in here. So far they all look the same. They all look exactly the same. No, these ones are a wee bit smaller. Right, okay, I'm going to find one for an 8 and take it home. So I'm back up in the showroom, and here's what we've got. I've just taken the bar out of my Aspect 7 in the showroom. And this is the bar that was in it. And this is the new higher bar, which is about 30 odd millimetres higher, which will make a vast difference to holding those logs in. You see? Huge difference. Now, this is the original bar, which we'll put back in. Whoops! Dearie me, try to do that with one hand and I pinged all the kindling out. That was interesting, it just hit me on the nose. Right, so that is the standard bar, and as you can see, there isn't a lot of ash retention depth in the inside, because this is a big deep burner. So, it's also quite tight. This is the new bar. I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, because I'm not going to be able to get it in with one. Just actually, we've got quite a good differential here. So this is my fake flames. Do you like my fake flames? Do you like not bad outside burners in the shop? It kind of makes them look a bit more kind of alive. Right, okay, let's just put them ones down there. Right, so that's just a couple of small logs, and there was the kindling pile in there before I threw kindling everywhere. Goodness only knows where the rest of it's gone to. Just like that. So this is an Aspect 5. And you see that the bar is really low. And there's an Aspect 7, although it's a different shape, which is much higher. Right, let's try an 8. So here's an 8. We'll put the low bar back in. You see? So there's not a great, huge depth in there, and this is why I've been asking them to make the deeper option. Now, this is an optional extra, rather than you pick it with a higher bar. You see? But look at the depth in there now. Loads deeper. Yay! Can't wait to take mine home and go and light my fire. Oh, it's cold out there. Gotta defrost the car first. Heading home with my treasure. Where did I leave my handbag? I've abandoned it somewhere. I forget my head if it wasn't screwed on. Anyway, paperwork says that I have got these arrived into stock today for the models Aspect 6, Aspect 7, Aspect 8 and Aspect 14. And I will get them booked into stock tomorrow morning, and they will then be available at Natural Heating for either shop customers or for mail order if you want us to ship them. So yeah, we'll be able to ship these as of tomorrow. I think Aspect 4s and 5s are probably still to come. I do have them on back order, so hopefully they won't be too much longer. Yay. My poor little car is all freezing up and she's just about defrosted. And I am going home with a nice new wood burner bar to have a nice toasty fire and a brand new duvet. Extra bigger than what we had because my toes get cold and the covers fall off. I am so happy to go home tonight. Poor wee car. Right, and I've forgotten the flipping bar, so I need to open back up and go and get that and then put this in my car and go home. But as you can see, it's dark. And everybody's gone home as usual, except me. Right, so I've just got home. I haven't even taken my coat off yet. And I'm going to show you my stove that's in my kitchen. And I'm going to get her lit and sorted out while I then sort me some dinner and get warmed up a bit because I'm cold. So this is my Aspect 8 that's currently in my kitchen with all my cooking kit and equipment because I just love cooking at fires. And this is what it looks like after my last burn because it's not yet been cleaned. So it's pretty clean anyway. But there's the ash in there, if you can see, in the back of the ash bar. Typically I just burn this for a few hours at a time on most evenings when I get home. Everybody else has got to bed, so there's nobody there. But you can see you wouldn't get a lot of ash build up on there. There isn't much in there anyway, then. This is the standard retainer bar. So we'll take out the standard retainer. I'll stick it in my log bucket for now. And I brought home the new one, the new big daddy of log bars for Aspects. There we go. So, not quite in there. There we go. That's better. Nope. There. You can see it's a lot deeper in there at the front. And here's the height. The old bar would have been. So, substantial difference between the two. So, I'm just going to set up my fire and get her lit. So, all of these nice logs in there. You can see the height behind the bar. I've got all my kindling in this wooden box under a log store for the moment. So we'll just set that up in here. Just one. These quick burners, quick fire lighters. Come in a big tub. Keep them in stock. We also do them by mail order. They're £10 or $9.99 I think for 100 Lincoln marvellous things in a cellulose packet. They're Danish. You just light them and they go. I only ever use one. Only ever need one. So a packet of 100 lasts ages. And this is the one thing I never normally do. Matches. The one hand. So I prefer my, oh no, it's possible. I prefer my blowtorch. There. There she goes. Everything open. Door slightly ajar. Matches back in a safe place. And she's lit. Anyway, I will get those log bars online in the morning. I have definitely got stock of bars for the Aspect 6, 7, 8 and 14 currently in hand. with Aspect 4s and 5s, I think, to follow shortly. So yeah, exciting times. I've been looking and asking for these bars for so long. So thank you, hunters. Finally, we've cracked it.